I'm going to show you 6 really easy, quick tips in Microsoft Teams chat. Let's go. You can rename group chats. So I'm just going to click on this pencil and give it a name. So now it's going to be a lot easier to find this particular chat. You can pin a group chat to the top so it's easier to find. Just click on Options and on Pin. You can mark a message as unread and get back to it later by clicking Options and mark as unread. You can even save a message. Just click on More Options and save this message. And you can find that message by clicking on your profile and Saved. And here are all my saved messages. You can pop out a chat window so that you can work on things while you chat. So just click on this little button right here and your chat opens in a second window. And now you can work on something else while you chat. Great. To find your chats more easily, you can filter your chats by name. So say all chats that I've had with Olivia, and it's going to find that chat. You can also filter your chats by unread messages. So there's one chat with an unread message. Or you can filter by meeting chats or chats that you have muted. You can get a notification when people go online. So Johnny is offline at the moment, but I'm just gonna click on Option and notify when available. So now when Johnny goes online, I will get a notification. And there we go, a notification. For more tips and tricks in Teams, just click on this playlist right here.